Hi, this is John again, and we are going to look at a C major chord cadence in combination with a C major scale. Now, in the past, I showed you the cadence for C major. Let's turn it up. So we went over that in the previous video. And so now, before I get started in this, let me remind you to go to the link down in the comments section, and you can download the music for this technical lesson, music theory lesson, I guess you might call it. And over here on this PDF file, you're going to have the graphics of the left-hand finger position for doing the C chord cadence from the root position. And then over here, you're going to have the cadence in the left hand in the bass section, C chord, G chord, C chord, F chord, and C chord. And above that in the treble clef will be the scale. So let's review this part here first, which would be the left-hand cadence. So we start off with a C chord, and the fingering is pinky is 5, middle finger is 3, and thumb is 1. That's C chord. Go to F chord, and the fingering is different. You have 5 with your pinky, finger 2, index finger, thumb is finger number 1. Then back to C chord. And then G chord has the same fingering as C. It should be 1, 3, and 5, and back to C. So that's the left-hand chord cadence. Now when we do the scale, the cadence will be in a little bit different position. It'll be C, G, C, F, C. It'll be a different flow of the chords when we add the scale. Now, let's look at the scale in the right hand. And you can see, if you have your handout printed up already to go along with this lesson, you can see the numbers. And it's real important that you know the numbers. In the right hand, thumbs are 1, index fingers are 2, middle fingers are 3, ring fingers are 4, pinkies are 5. So if you look at this, the finger numbering for a C major scale is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going up. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3. Move your thumb underneath your middle finger, which is finger 1 of your right hand. And then you play F, G, A, B, C. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on the way down, it just reverses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle finger crosses over. 3, 2, 1. So the crossover section, the cross under, and the crossover section right here, where you have no black key in this white space between E and F. So when you're going up, you cross under. When you go back down, you cross over. So under, over. So when you know that ahead of time, it makes it easier. Right here is your cross under and your cross over. You cross under, your thumb crosses under when you go up, and your middle finger crosses over when you go down. So going up, the thumb crosses under, going down, middle finger crosses over. So that's what you want. Now, combining this together, we have and I just played this handout right here. So it's a really good exercise. You want to learn this. Okay, so that's a short little lesson, but it's really important to practice this to develop your dexterity. Okay, this is John signing off. Have a good day, and we will see you in a few more days. Bye-bye for now.